Just as the way you read in the title, get paid to visit website. A particular network right here sent me $255 just by visiting website. It might sound too good to be good, right? But just stick around to the end of this video because you're gonna be at the point where you can also make $255 or even make more than I have made from this website. Okay? On this website, you can actually sign up in two ways. Either as an advertiser or as a publisher. Advertisers, these are the people that actually set up the website for you to visit. They are willing to pay a click. They are willing to pay you even if you just visit the website at all. You are not need to carry out any tasks from the website. Just for you to visit the website, that is what they need. Because these advertisers just want to improve their SEO in Google search or in Google ranking. That is the main reason why they are paying you this money just to visit the website. Visiting this website, you don't need to carry out any task. You don't have to read the whole blog just for you to pay a visit to the website and you'll be paid instantly. If you're the type of person who want to improve his SEO in Google search, you can go for this. But if you're the type of person like a freelancer who want to make money online, like me and you are going to sign up as the publisher, okay? You can see they say get paid instantly and withdraw your balance. It's quick and free to start. Starting up is free, but if at the time you want to upgrade to some members, that is up to you. But starting up is free and you can make money free and withdraw your money free, all right? Just pay attention to the end of this video. I believe this is your chance to make your first money online. And wherever you are in the world, you can still sign up from this website and start making money, okay? All you need to get started is a phone, a laptop, or even an iPad and an access to the internet connection. That is all you need to get started, all right? And once you make some money from this website, you can actually pay out through PayPal or even bank transfer. But if you have also some digital currency, they can also do that for you. You can see that your money is not going to stuck inside the website. Once you make your money and you reach the minimum threshold, you can just withdraw your money. And that is it, okay? And this website that we're talking about right here is called StarClick. And obviously you want to set up your account. So you need to follow it step by step because signing up is a little bit tricky. You want to stay attentive so that you can understand it properly, all right? To sign up, just hit on the sign up button right here and you'll be in this page. Just like I said earlier in the video, you can sign up either as a publisher or as an advertiser. So you're going to sign up as a publisher if you are the type of person who want to make money with it. If you are the person who want to click on ads and make money, you have to sign up here. If you're an advertiser that is trying to rank in Google SEO, something like that, you can sign up here, all right? But for the sake of this video, I'm going to sign up as a publisher for the people who want to make money online, okay? Just hit on the button right here and you'll be in this page, okay? Here, you have to put in your first name, your last name, your date of birth. Here, you have to put in your home address and your city name. Where do you live? You have to put in your country and your zip code. Maybe most of you don't know what is zip code. For you to get your zip code, you have to go to Google and type something like, what is the zip code of, you have to put in the name of your street. Like let's say the name of your street is Munich. You have to say, what is the zip code of Munich? When you do that, they will show you the zip code and you return to this page again and paste it right here, okay? You have to put in your phone number also, okay? Here, you don't need to use plus something. You can see they said international format starting with 00. So if like you live in Germany is 0049. If you live in Nigeria, 00234. If you live in Ghana, 00123. Just like that, okay? You don't have to put in plus. 00. And here you put in your email address and confirm your email address. Choose a specific password and confirm the password, okay? Now you have to choose a security question, okay? All of these are the security questions for security purposes of your account, okay? Like you might choose, what is your favorite color? You can choose that, like what is your favorite color? And here you might put something like blue, okay? Something you can remember. What is your favorite color? And you can put the answer as blue. And here they will say, how do you find us? You can say through Google search. It's very easy like that. If you have anything like referral code, you can put it right here, okay? And once you've done that, you have to put in this code for them to verify that you are not a robot and hit on the confirm, then register, okay? And once you've done that, they will send you an email for confirmation. Click on the email, you'll be redirected to the homepage, okay? But since I have my account ready, I will just go ahead and sign in. And once you log in, your account is going to look something similar to this. But the first thing that I would like you to do is to come over here where it says mobile verification. Okay, verify your mobile phone. You have to do that because if not, you will not be able to withdraw your money once you start making money from this website. All right. If today is your first time here, you're welcome to my channel. My name is Wilson. What I do here is I actually tested out, do a lot of research about website. that promise to pay money. And whenever I find something that is working for me, something that I've actually tested out and it has worked for me, I will come to my channel here and make a video about it so that you too can also use it to make money. So if you feel like you want to be part of the family, you want us to grow together, you can subscribe to my channel so that whenever I upload a new video or how to stay at home and make money online, you will definitely be the first person to get notified. And you know what that means? If you are the first person to get notified, you're going to be the first person to test out the website, and also you're going to be the first person that will be making money with the website. So let's get it started. Alright, there are two basic ways to make money from this website: the slow method and the fast method. Okay, the slow method doesn't require anything, but you won't make big money. Okay, it doesn't require anything, but you're not going to make big money. While the fast method will require you to upgrade to some extent so that you can make big money. Okay, so now let me walk you through to the slow method before the fast method. Right, if you click on this tab right here where it says PPC ads, or this one over here where it says PPC ads available, it will actually take you to the place where you can see the available website and start clicking it, visiting it, and be generating some money. All right, now let's do a test for you to understand what it's all about. If I click on it right here, it will take me to this tab. All these are the website. All these are websites that you can actually visit and get paid per cent. Alright, if you check right here, you see that I'm having 5 cents. If I just click on this website, okay, just to visit the website, my network is kind of slow. Let's wait for it and let's see. I don't know why the network is slow today, but yours is not going to be like this. It's because of my internet connection. Alright, yeah, this is it. I don't need to carry out any other task here. Okay, I just need to browse it just like this. I don't need anything. I don't need to touch anything. Okay, remember I was having 5 cents. Now if I go back to start click, you see that I'm having 8 cents. From 5 cents to 8 cents. That means I was giving 3 cents just to visit that website. That is how you are going to do it. If I visit this website again, this one is also another website. I accept in form of a gaming platform. I don't even need to carry out anything here, just to browse through it. Even if you don't do this that I'm doing right here, you're still going to get paid. Now if I return back to start click, remember I was having 8 cents also, right? Now if I go back to start click, you will see my balance had jumped from 8 cents to 9 cents. So that's how you're going to be clicking ads. You don't need to do anything and be generating money. Alright, but the ads here are unlimited. Okay, but there is a way to increase it. Now for you to maximize the amount of money that you can make on this website, something like $100, $200, $300 to $500, you need to hit on this tab where it says upgrade. Alright, but it's not compulsory that you must upgrade. But if you want to make more money from this website, you just need to upgrade. If not, you can stay on the silver plan and start making money, but it's gonna be slow. Here they have 3 plans: the silver, which is the free plan, the gold, and the platinum. Okay, you need $20 to register for the gold plan, and for the platinum plan you need $49. But you should not even go for this. If you can go for this, it's already okay, but if not, you can stick with the free plan and still be making money. Alright, and once you join the gold plan, you will be given something that is called HTML codes. Okay, you'll be given something called HTML code. This HTML code, you will go to a website that is called Blogger. You will create an account. You will use this your HTML code to write a little blog. And once you've done that, you will send the link to your friends. You just need only 5 friends. Alright, you don't need many friends. And once those your friends start clicking on those ads, your money will start generating. Your money will start increasing. You cannot click on the link by yourself with the same IP address. It's not going to work. Okay, but if you have like 5 friends, and those of your 5 friends, you have to click on the links many times, and each time you click on this link, your money right here will be increasing. That is the fast method. That was the way I did it before I was on this plan. But since I have many other business online that I'm currently doing, I decided to give it a break. That is the reason why right now I'm actually on the silver plan. Okay, if you prefer the silver plan, you can stay, but the money is gonna be low. But if you want to make more money, you have to switch to the gold plan that will give you the access to HTML. You'll be given many more ads that you're going to be clicking and be generating money each day. Alright, it's very simple. If you are willing to maximize it, you can do it right here. Okay, so if you watch this video to this point and you feel like you are a little bit satisfied, you understand something a little bit, you can subscribe to my channel. But if you are not so satisfied, you are still searching for other ways to make money, you can click on this video right here. That will definitely show you more ways to make more money online. And having said that, peace out. Cheers.